Ever wondered how to quickly pick out just a part of a list, strings, or reverse them with just a single line of code? Well, the answer is a slice operator, or specifically a Python slice operator. So first things first, what's a slicing? Slicing lets you extract or take out specific part of lists, strings or tuples without you writing loops. So like this is an easy way for you to just extract a particular thing that you want in that list or in that string. So let's see how to decode this powerful tool. Let's see how to decode this powerful tool with code examples. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's say you have a list of numbers from 2 to 5, and you want to extract the two middle elements, which are 2 and 3. Now, an easy way for you to do this is just to use the print statement. You target your numbers, and sorry, we're gonna do 2, 4. Now, what this says is that it's going to start at an index of 2 and stop at an index of 4, which would extract 2 and 3. So if you run this, boom, it extracted 2 and 3. But this isn't the only way for you to use slicing. So let's see how to add a step argument in your slice operator. Okay, so let's say we want to extract more numbers and not just 2 and 3 by using a step argument. What we do is just going to remove this, and we will do column, and let's say 2. Okay, so what this tells Python to do, it says start at the beginning, which is 0, and stop at the end, and then grab every second element. So it's definitely going to grab 0, 2, 4. I'm thinking it's grab elements that are divisible by 2. I could be wrong. So when you run this, it's grabbed 2, 0, 2, 4. So if we wanted to grab every first element, we can change that 2 to 1, and it's going to literally grab every single thing. And if we wanted to grab every third element, it's going to grab just 0 and 3. Now let's also look at how to reverse the sequence. We're still going to use the same lists. Okay, so to reverse the sequence, we are just going to, we are going to change this 3 to -1, and this should, okay, right now the list is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in reversing, it's going to be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let me clear the terminal in case you can see, and see 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the best part of this slice operator is that it doesn't just work on this, it doesn't just work on the number data type. Like, it doesn't just work on list, it can also work on string. Let's comment this out, and let's say the name of the dog is Sam, and we want to reverse it. So target Sam, and we do and it's MAS, and we can still do the previous example that we did. Let's target 1 and 2. Let's see if that's going to, and it just got A. And let's target 3, and you just go AM. Okay, so this is a great way for you to extract specific data that you want in a list or a tuple or a string in your program. So if you ever come across a situation where you need to extract just a number, a letter, a digit or something in a string, in a list, using slice operator is a good way. It's like should be your go-to.